And just like that, you have made it through Module 3. Design your idea like a pro. Let's take a moment to celebrate what you have just done, because what you have done here is not small. You've taken that burning passion inside you, you dream to solve real problems, and you've given it structure, you've given it shape, and you've also given it strategy. So that is the heart of grant writing. And in this module 3, finally, you've learned how to turn broad intentions into clear project statements. So you've learned how to take a broad intention and turn it to a clear project statement. Also, you've also learned in this module how to define goals, break them into objectives, and build logical activities. Thirdly, you've also learned how to think about timelines, how to think about budgets, and even possible risks. Fourthly, most importantly, you've explored the theory of change, which is your personal map of how impact happens. And finally, fifthly, you saw how to apply it to your real life examples through assignments and through homeworks that you've done over time. So if you followed along with the worksheets, by now you should have a solid draft of your first fundable project idea. So that is very, very incredible. Most people never get that far. So what is next now after completing this module 3? What is next is in module 4, we are going to go ahead to start writing proposal. Yes, from module 1 to 3, we've laid the foundation and we are going to the actual writing. Remember, one of the first things that we've established in this course is that grant writing is more of planning and less of writing. So it's not just about the writing, it's about planning, and that is very, very important. So we are shifting gears, and in the next module, which is module 4, writing the proposal, you will learn how to write proposals that speak the founder's language. You will also learn how to respond to call for proposals like a pro. You will also learn the difference between a concept note and a full proposal. You will also learn how to write each section of your proposal: the problem, the goals, the budget narrative, the sustainability, and many more. And I will also be showing you a real-life practical example. This will only be for my student alone. It's not going to be on YouTube, right? So I'll be sharing practical example as a shared document of a current project I'm working on. So this is where your idea meets the world on paper. So you learn all of those 4 things in the next module 4. So your next step right now, before you continue, I encourage you to firstly finalize your project design worksheets, practice drawing your theory of change. Also, share your draft with someone you trust, like a peer, a mentor, or even our learning community on WhatsApp. So remember, grant writing is not just about grammar or fancy words. It's about clarity, about logic, and belief in what you are building. You are not just learning a new skill, you are stepping into your power to shape change. This training is probably brought to you by Grant Database, your go-to platform for grants, opportunities, and resources that open doors. I'm Oluwole, sharing you on as you grow from learner to leader. See you in Module 4, and keep dreaming in bold, fundable blueprints.